In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become QuickBooks Certified. QuickBooks is one of the most popular accounting software tools used by businesses around the world. Earning a QuickBooks certification not only boosts your professional credibility, but also helps you gain a deeper understanding of the platform's features and functionality. Whether you're an accountant, bookkeeper, or small business owner, this certification can open up new opportunities for you. If you don't already have a QuickBooks account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process to become certified. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you're comfortable with. Once it's open, type Intuit QuickBooks Certification into the search bar. Intuit, spelled I-N-T-U-I-T, is the official company behind QuickBooks, so make sure to search for their certification program directly. Now, look carefully at the search results. Find the first organic search result that has the official Intuit domain. It's important to avoid clicking on ads or any third-party websites to ensure you're accessing the correct and secure certification page. Once you've identified the official Intuit QuickBooks certification link, click on it to open the page. Once you're on the official certification page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top of the page, locate the main menu. From there, hover your cursor over or tap on the section labeled Training and Resources. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see a variety of options. Select Certification to proceed to the certification section. On the certification page, you'll find a big Get Started button. Click on it to begin your journey. If you already have a QuickBooks account, you'll be prompted to sign in. Simply enter your login credentials and continue. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one. This process is straightforward. Just provide your basic information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Once your account is set up or you've logged in, you're ready to move forward. Now, follow the on-screen prompts provided by Intuit. These will guide you to access the training materials and practice resources you need to prepare for the certification. Take your time exploring these resources, as they're specifically designed to help you understand QuickBooks inside and out. Before diving into the actual certification assessment, be sure to review the certification overview. This section will explain what topics are covered, the structure of the assessment, and any other details you need to know. This information is crucial for understanding what to expect and for planning your study sessions effectively. When you feel ready, go ahead and complete the certification assessment. Follow the instructions provided on the Intuit platform to ensure everything is done correctly. Remember, preparation is key. Take your time and work through the assessment carefully. After completing the certification process, it's a good idea to bookmark the certification page. This makes it easy to revisit the resources or access your certification details in the future. Finally, take advantage of the official study resources linked on the certification page. These tools are invaluable for reinforcing your knowledge and ensuring you're fully prepared. And if at any point you encounter issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact Intuit's support team. You'll find help links on the page that can connect you to the assistance you need. And that's it. You now have all the steps you need to become QuickBooks certified. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.